Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm back with another Laravel tutorial, that is routing. So today I'll show you how you can do routing of your URL in Laravel. So let's get started with today's video. So let me show you view. So here you can see welcome page is loaded on my base URL. So if I'll show you web.php file, so in that you can see base URL is returning view, that is welcome view. So if I'll show you welcome view, so here you can see some basic Laravel documentation, all those links are present there. So I'll be focusing more on routing. In so you can see a routes folder. So in this, API and web is the most used one. So here web one is if you are having views and you are like you're running a web application. API is just for like you are building any APIs, then you will be using that. So here you can see base URL is a type of get request. So let's change this view to, let's say, just return hello world, and let's refresh now. So you can see hello world is printed. So now let's create another route with get request only. So here let's write about and return, let's say, about us. So now let's go to browser and in URL write about. So enter, and here you can see about us is printed. So in routing you can also create one controller and you can redirect your route to that controller function. So let's create another route, let's say contact, and I'm already having one controller, contact controller. So I'll be mapping my route contact to that contact controller index function. So you need to include your contact controller as well in the top. So in root, second parameter will be as array. So first as zero index, there will be controller, contact controller, and second will be which function you are going to redirect. So that will be index. So in contact controller, in index function, you can see I'm just loading one view, that is contact. In contact view, you can see I'm having one form with name, email, and phone number, and all these basic contact form basically, that is. Let's go and check in browser. So if I'll write slash contact, so you can see form is loaded now. So all other request type as well, like post, put, delete, can also be done like this same. So let me show you next now post one. So write root, then post. After that, let's write same contact controller, and this will go to, let's say, store function, because it's a post request. Let's say if you want to save your contact form to DB, so then you can use a store function. So all these function basically in content controller is according to REST APIs, kind of like if you're having one, let's say, contact, so then you will be just changing your request method, let's say get, post, and your URI will be same, that is just contact only. So for now let me just show you a different URL only. So here you can see, let's say, contact save, and it's having post request type, and other is put, you can say next is put. So that will be going to, let's say, update function. So next route, let's say for delete, so change URL, let's say contact delete. So also change above one, I forgot to change for put one, right, contact update, and then delete request type, change to delete. So let me just remove once and write again for delete. So here you can see it's already giving me suggestions, so just choose that one. And now you can see URI is, let's say, users, and there is one ID passed, and after that one function is there, that is getting that ID. How you can get this ID in your controller function, so I'll show you with update one. So similar way you can also pass this ID in your edit one. So in contact update you can also pass one ID with it, and in controller you can go to update function, and there you can see, and we are getting one ID as a argument. So let me show you this with the get request. So in about, let's pass one ID, and in function get ID here as well, and then print ID. So in browser, in URL, right, let's say about slash 2, So you can see here about us to is printed, so id is printed here. So here next I'm going to show you is redirect. So let's say base URL, I'm going to redirect to, let's say, about page. Redirect, and inside that pass your URL. So that is about, and also return the redirect. So let's go to browser and hit base URL. So you can see it's going to about page, but not found coming. Okay, I have given ID, so I'm just going to remove that. Remove from function and inside that. So now if I'll refresh, so now you can see base URL is going to about page. So it's a redirecting. So there is another way of redirecting as well. So I'll write root, and I'll just directly write redirect. So first one will be like source, like from where you need to redirect, and second like destination where it should redirect. So let's say slash to slash about I want. So let's comment the above one, and now let's check in browser. So hit base URL, and now you can see it's going to about. So next I'm going to show you is how you can load directly your view. So let's say write root and write view. So inside view, first one is URL and second is your view file. So here let's say base URL, and I'm going to just load welcome file only. So let's check in browser and refresh. So you can see welcome page is loaded. So next is you can give a name to your URL. So you can add one option after your request. Here you can write name, and you can give like, let's say, contact. So these you can use anywhere in your anchor tag. This name you can use wherever you are using that route. And last thing that I'm going to show you is that you can also get your all root list using commands. So write php artisan root list. So here you can see with request type and URL, you are getting the list. And there is shortcut as well. You can write php artisan r colon l. So this will give you same output. So you can find all your routes. You can see contact is on there, contact save, contact update, and delete is also there for user with ID. So I've shown you routing in this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, then you can comment down in the comment section. That's all in this video. I hope you like this video. In my next video, I'll show you controllers in Laravel. Do please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.